I will talk about how can you enable recommended for you on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on my Redfin, just click on it here down. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings, then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on feed settings. So then you come here to recommendations here, just clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's my recommendations enable with us now here. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.